Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit with pictures. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC and log into your Reddit account. After logging in, you will see this home page on Reddit. On this page, you'll have to simply click on the create option at the top right, that is create post button. Now you will see this page, that is create a post. So you can post anything you want on Reddit using this page. And we have the option to post a text, that is this will be the title of the text. This is going to be the text of our post. Now in order to add images to our post, we'll have to click on images and video, and in this section we'll have to click on drag and drop or upload media. When you click on this small icon just after this text, you will see your PC's directory opening up. Here, you'll have to choose the picture or image that you want to upload and select open button just right here. Now, that picture will open up in this area. Here, you can click on the add button at the top left of this image to add more pictures on your post. Now, we'll have two pictures on our post, and any user can navigate through these pictures by clicking on this button. We can click on edit all button and select edit to choose a caption and URL for a specific image. Now you can enter a caption or a URL for the first image. Click on this and you'll be able to add a caption and URL for the second image and click on save. Now you can add more photos by selecting this option. We are not going to do that. So we'll click on save and we'll click on the post button just right here. But before doing that, we'll have to click on select a community button. In this, you'll have to type in r/ and the name of the community. So we can select, for example, this one and click on post. Now after you click on the post button, you would have successfully posted on Reddit with pictures. So that's how you post on Reddit with pictures. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.